What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you another pair of shoes that I got during the All-Star weekend along with the Turbo Greens. Now this shoe right here was a little bit harder to get because it was a women's exclusive. They did have extended sizes, and if you were able to fit up to a men's 10.5, then you were
Today, Junior?
Then you were in good luck. Now the highest size I think that they had at the store that I was at was a women's 12, which converts to a men's 10.5. Now there was rumors that they were going to release in a 13 and 14. I didn't see those. Those are really like unicorn sizes, so those were very hard to get, and they go for way much money than all the other sizes. But this is a size 10.5 women's, which converts to a men's 9. Now I did want an 11, which is a men's 9.5, but I had to settle for this. The colorway is Obsidian, Blue Chill, and White. Retail was $160. Now let's go ahead and get into the shoes. So we have the Blue Chill Air Jordan 1's. And this is a all patent leather material on them. Now these shoes, as you can see, it takes hints from North Carolina. It's a lot of inspiration from North Carolina. That is where the All-Star game was. Once again, we have hints of baby blue, powder blue along the heel and towards the upper collar, and then also on the toe box as well. And then alongside the trim and up by the lace holes, we have like a dark navy blue color, which is also on the tongue and also on the inner lining of the shoe. This shoe was very hard to get, to the point where I think I was like 8th in line at the store, and by the time they got to me, the biggest size that they had was a size 6.5. So I grabbed two 6.5s and I sold those, and I had to pay resale for the 10.5. So I mean, technically I did pay resale, but the profits from the other two shoes did cover this shoe. So right now this shoe is going for about, I want to say like a little bit over $500, but I was able to grab these for a good price locally. So as you know, it's something about patent leather when you put it on a Jordan. I mean, you have the Jordan 11s, everybody goes crazy over, and you know, with the 1, you can't go wrong with any patent. You know, anytime you put patent leather on the 1, it's an automatic banger. I have the gold toes, which essentially is pretty much kind of like the same shoe with, you know, different colors, but I love these. I've worn these a couple of times, and when I seen these, I had to get them. And also, we've already seen pictures of a gold toe women's shoe that will be coming out, but the main difference is all this will be remaining the same, and then on the inside, on the side panel, it's going to be white, and I think on both sides the swoosh will be gold, but that's going to be women's exclusive. And then also there is a, I want to say I think it's a black toe patent leather colorway that is also coming out. Both of those will be a women's exclusive, so those will be just as hard to get, you know, just like these. But yeah, anytime they come out with like a women's exclusive, you gotta really be on top of it. These did restock, or not restock, these did re-release on the Foot Locker app, I want to say a couple of days ago on the 21st, and I also hit another size on those. I hit a size 7. I went for a low size mainly because everybody's going for bigger sizes, and some stores didn't even get size 12s or 10s or 11s, so it was safer to go for smaller sizes because less people were going after them, and that was a quicker flip, you know, something that you just want to make a couple bucks off of. That was a smarter decision to do. I just wanted to show you guys one of my pickups from All-Star weekend. It was a crazy week, and this is where, you know, the year's starting to pick up. Jordan brand starting to drop more and more releases. So January was very slow, you know, very slow. A lot of people were able to save money, but you know, it's gonna get a lot more hectic as the year goes on. So time to get to it. But that about does it for the video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the next video.